Hello class 5, welcome to your online class. Let me introduce myself first. I am Aradhana Banerjee and I am your class teacher ma'am. Along with that, I will be taking your science subject, and as well as those who are having Bengali, I will take the rapid Pagladashu along with you, along with science. So two subject class I will get. One is a little part of Bengali and the subject science. So before starting, I must say that you all will buy this book, The Science Ahead. Please note down The Science Ahead. This is your book, what you have to buy. The Science Ahead, and the author is Sumitra Siromani. As we know, you have already got, I think, Sumitra Siromani, and the publication is Orient Black Swan. Please see Sumitra Siromani here. The name of the author is written, and over here the publication is Orient Black Swan. So this book you have to buy, and today with the first chapter we will start, that is food and health. That is the very first chapter of your unit 1, okay, and it is the first chapter of your book as well. So food and health, we all know that food is something what we need to live, isn't it? We need to survive. Without food we will die, and that is the source of all type of energy what we are getting to do our regular work. We are working, we are studying, we are playing, whatever we are doing, we are able to do that due to the healthy food, isn't it? And why we are telling that healthy food? The condition of the food must be very good, isn't it? And thus there is no question arising that there's no doubt in it that food and health is directly related with one to the other, isn't it? How good the food is, it will affect the health like that much. Okay, so health and food, these two uh, inseparable parts are related. Now in this chapter, first we will go through the different types of nutrients what we get from the food, and what type of food are very good for our body and which are avoidable. What type of food like junk food and some bad food, street foods, we must avoid. And we will learn, after that we will learn about balanced diet. And not only balanced diet, you are eating a good food, okay, but if it is not preserved properly, then it is very harmful for you as well. So preservation of food we will read. It's a long chapter. Now next two types of diseases are there, infectious disease and non-infectious disease, that we will read. And finally we will read about the different exercise good postures what we should maintain. And after that, at the end of each chapter, we will discuss the exercise of the book, and along with that, after the completion of the chapter, you are going to get one PDF. Means, what is the meaning of PDF? PDF means the question and answer which are very much relevant with the chapter, and which we are going to read, which you have to read for your exam purpose and for your preparation. So after the completion of one or two part of the chapter, as you can see in the board, today's first part of the chapter, after completion of one or two, you are going to get one PDF. That means from this part, these are the important questions which we have to go through. Okay, so let's start with the first part of the chapter. Nutrients. You eat food to get energy to work and play, to grow and to make your body strong and healthy. As I was discussing with you, that for why do we eat food? First of all, we need to survive, we need to live, isn't it? And along with that, how we will get energy to do work, how we will get energy to study, how we will get energy to play, isn't it? For that reason, we must eat good and healthy food. Food has substances called nutrients. Nutrients are substances that the body need to live, grow and be healthy. So each food, whatever excuse me, right from the morning up to the end of the day, whatever food you are eating, the food is containing with some nutrients. These nutrients are the substance which are very much needed, very much healthy for our life and for our body. So nutrients are substance that the body needs to live, grow and be healthy. So we need to be healthy, and how we will be healthy? After eating food, we are absorbing the nutrients of the food which are within the food, and the waste material we are releasing it out from our body in the process of waste release, that we will read later on. Different nutrients are found in different food. Some nutrients provide your body with energy, some help it to grow, and some help it to fight disease. So nowadays we are very much associated with the word immunity, isn't it? So some foods are there, not only they are providing us with nutrients, but they are helping us to grow our immunity, isn't it? Immunity means the strength which is helping us to fight with the different sorts of diseases. Okay, to get all the nutrients you must eat a variety of foods every day. So for getting all types of protection through our body, we must eat different sorts of food. There are 5 main kinds of nutrients: carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. So these are the 5 different types of nutrients, and one by one we will read slowly. So what we have discussed, that there are different types of nutrients in our body, and these nutrients are the substances which are providing us with different types of energy. They are helping us to develop our immunity, and these substances are called nutrients. Each and every food whatever we are eating in every day, from right from the beginning at the end, each are containing with some substances, and these substances are called nutrients, which are very much needed because they are providing us energy, and they are providing us with a good health, and the unwanted part of the food we are releasing through the process of releasing waste from our body. This is for today. So again I shall repeat once: you buy this book, The New Science Ahead. New Science Ahead. Please see the name of the book, New Science Ahead. I think you can see. The author is Sumitra Siromani. Author is Sumitra Siromani, and the publication is Orient Black Swan. So we have started the very first chapter today, and a little part of it we have done, and in the next day, in the next part of the video, we will continue with the different types of nutrients in details. Thank you.